How to send money from Philippines to Saudi Arabia on PC. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from zero fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account, and as you can see, you will be able to see this page. Now, from here, select your currency destination. This visit will be the Philippines, as you can see. Now, after that, select your recipient currency. In this visit will be the Riyal Saudi. So in this case, we don't find the Saudi Riyal, so select just the Euro or USD. Now, after that, as you can see, you can type here how much you want to transfer, to $1,000 or $100,000, any amount that you want to transfer, and after that, click on send. And as you can see here, double check the amount that you want to transfer, and as you can see here, your recipient will receive that money. Now click on pay with, and now select the bank account. Now click on add recipient. So in this case, we can't find the recipient currency, so we will transfer that money to their Wise account. Now click on find on Wise, and now here type your recipient username, and after that you will transfer that money to their Wise account, and they will after that transfer that money to their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Saudi Arabia on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.